no layer 1 can exist. We have target for building 100 chains. We have the NuChain credit system. Okay. You just pass the command and it gives you the whole piece of code for connecting with the database.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm good.
So we have Dhanraj Dadhich with us, and my name is Ravi from Crypto vs Stock, and I know like you guys are doing really great with the new chain. So my audience wanted to know like how you guys are doing with the layer chain, and you can let us know like on which chain you are working on, and what are the how we can implement with the other layer chain one or layer chain two or something with your blockchain system.
Okay. First of all, we have to understand that in every blockchain or every layer 1 solution has its base solution as layer 0, where all layer 1 are basically a part of layer 0 solution. I mean, they are standing on top of layer 0 solution, right? Which is an infrastructure layer. Without infrastructure, no layer 1 can exist, right?
Okay.
That requires either node, validator, their consensus algorithm to be defined. So we are layer 0 solution. And we welcome, so we don't have any competitor, like all layer 1 can become our customer as well, right? What we provide a platform where you can build your own custom blockchain with consensus parameters. So you can just define the consensus name, what is the weightage you want to provide to that consensus, and if you want to integrate that with an external, let's say, real world parameters, you can define the oracle and add that oracle to the consensus. So automatically, the system, the layer 0 solution, what we have, that engine will build a layer 1 solution for you. It will get deployed in, no time, which generally defining, designing and building a layer 1 solution will take 3 months to 6 months, 1 year, 2 year span of time as well, based on the complexity of consensus. Here, this will get solved for your coffee finish. Your code would be in your repository, and before you take a flight from Dubai to London, before you land, your code would be deployed on mainnet or tested, right? So it is no time compared to 6 months, 3 months, or any time free.
Okay. So any of the specific industry you are covering right now for your solution that you are
Okay.
providing?
So as we have solved the problem of building complex layer 1 solution with no time, our target is not only to, um, I mean, we don't have target to capture to a particular segment or domain. We have target for building 100 chains in this year. Those 100 chains with 100 industries, okay, different industries. That includes right from the governance till healthcare till artificial intelligence, whatnot. Everything is covered.
Okay. So as I know, like there are different other layer one or layer zero networks are available. So you are going to work on a private or hybrid model, or it is publicly available on for the layer one. Like if,
Web
for
3,
example, if I want to build something on your network or something,
yes.
so it is going to be the private or the publicly
In,
available. Yeah.
in Web3, there are two type of blockchain are popular. One is like private blockchain,
Yeah.
like Hyperledger,
Yeah.
right?
Hyperledger.
They does just provide you, you know, early days we call it an internet and intranet. Intranet is for your company organization only. Internet is for everyone.
Everyone.
Similarly, public and private chain are work on the same concept. Whether you have all nodes within your organization control, those are private. And nodes are in public chain, those are public chain. We do provide both.
Okay.
If government or some agencies want their all nodes to be managed by their members, we provide that, we establish that network for them.
Okay. So when it comes to the developing a product on Web3 or something, is there any applications that are working into the industry which is a well-known name or something you
Yeah.
can?
One of it is an RWA chain, real
Okay.
world asset chain, where you can register your property on chain, where you can add your add digital asset on chain, and you can have a fractional ownership,
Okay.
right? Like you and your partner wants to buy a particular office space or villa or something, you both can buy it. A husband and wife can buy a villa.
Okay.
So that's a fractional ownership. We
Okay.
generally do in our banking system as well. That you have account holder and the nominee as well.
Okay, sounds good. So when it comes to the roadmap, like what you guys are going to launch in the upcoming days or something, do you have your own product or something you are going to launch into the market? Because as you already working on the layer zero, so you are supporting the other layer one or layer two networks building those who are having a Web3 project. So they are
Yeah,
utilizing, but
because
you,
see, I have seen uh, and I know couple of layer one solution. They are still struggling in achieving transactions, uh, in completing their, they have. Okay, so when I left that they were on testnet, right?
yeah,
And then they are still trying to figure out the way to come to the mainnet. They are still not able to find the solution.
yes, correct.
We welcome them, they can build on top of us. And in no time, right now, I have built that solution in such a manner that they just come on board and then they can build their own layer
For
one
example,
solution.
like if I want to launch my project or something, and if I utilize your layer zero network, and if I'm struggling with the any of the issues like to the test net or the main net, so how you guys are incorporating with the other like the project, those who are launching into the market.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah.
what we have is first, and before doing that, before answering that, I would like to answer one more. Our layer zero does not have any token. So
Okay.
we are crypto agnostic. I mean, we don't have any crypto solution. We have the NuChain credit system
Okay.
where those credits are being used to get you the support from our team. So we charge the new credit, and based on your support requirement, it does have expert team. First of all, you don't need that level of support. You just need the infrastructure support.
Yes, correct.
You can define your own custom consensus. Either it's a sustainable. I have built a sustainable consensus algorithm. So you either it is one of it because one of a complex uh, algorithm, right? Either you want to build a sustainable consensus algorithm, you can just define the environmental, social, and governance index here, their weightage, their oracle's URL. Your ready chain is ready,
Okay.
right?
Sounds good.
Generally, it does not require any support, but I know there are a lot of people who does not, who just use the buzzword of Web3, that crypto, sustainability, blah blah, but they don't know how to operate it. We do have a team of experts who does support you for right from building the chain, defining the front end for your explorer, running the nodes, and later support as well. Post for deployment support, there are some support like how to uh, like how to manage the validators, how the transaction validation, or is there any issue in transaction validation, how to resolve that. So we do provide that level of support as well.
Okay, sounds good. So thank you for explaining all this. Like we have got a lot of understanding like how the layer zero network help the other layer one and layer two to build the application and everything. So like anything you would like to mention which is a key point uh, for the Web3 developer or something, those who are going to utilize your network or something. So
Yeah, I would like to say one thing. Being a developer, actually, I'm also a developer, right?
yeah.
Uh, Earlier, when I was in just beginning of my career, I was working on C++, where
Yeah.
we don't have any ID stuff, where you just say dot and all the list of dot methods come. Now we have an intelligent ID, which you just pass the command and it gives you the whole. piece of code for connecting with the database,
Okay.
right? That does not mean that we have to write the code by hand.
Okay.
This platform is built on the same pattern, right? We want to save time for the developer or intelligent people who can build really disruptive thing in the market. They come on platform, they build their unique solutions, unique chain on this platform, and they can save their time and energy to make it further fine-tuned or fine-grained application in the market,
Okay.
right? So whatever is being done is for the community.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
So it was really nice to talk to you, Raj Dadhich sir.
Thank you
So
so
thank
much.
you for explaining all this, and it is really informative session like we had because everyone is thinking about the dApps, DeFi, crypto, and everything, and no one knows about the backbone of the
Absolutely.
ecosystem. So the layer zero and layer chain zero is very important for us. And of course, it is going to be a game changing for everyone. Like if they are going to utilize your own layer chain zero network or something to build the dApps and DeFi, that would be a very big help for others people as well. Thank you for explaining all this and have a good day. It was
Thank you.
really,
Thank you so much.
thank you.